welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to log into your Cash App on another device in case you misplace your phone or for any other reason you want to log in to your Cash App on another device. This is what you have to do. Tap on your Cash App this way, then enter the phone number that you used and register your Cash App. So then tap login. So you just have to input your password code. So let me input mine and then login. So guys, that's it on how to log in to your Cash App on another device. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.